You don't need expensive products to look and feel amazing. Just a few household items can make a big difference. Hey there, friends! Today, I'll share some easy, budget-friendly beauty techniques you can try at home. Let's get started. 1. Natural face. Yogurt, honey, and lemon. Yogurt hydrates the skin. Honey has antibacterial properties, and lemon adds a natural glow. Mix 1 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use this mask twice a week for a fresh, radiant complexion. 2. Egg white mask for blackheads. Want to reduce blackheads on your nose? Mix an egg white with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it to your nose, place a thin tissue over it, and wait until it dries completely. Peel it off gently, and you'll be surprised at the results. 3. Cucumber and tea bags for puffy eyes and dark circles. If you're dealing with dark circles, place chilled tea bags or cucumber slices over your eyes. Leave them on for about 10 minutes. This simple method helps reduce puffiness and brightens the eye area. 4. Natural toner. Apple cider. Vinegar and water. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and apply it to your face as a toner. Apple cider vinegar balances skin tone and helps cleanse pores. You can use this toner every morning and night. 5. Lip scrub. Sugar, honey, and olive oil. For soft, smooth lips, combine 1 teaspoon of sugar with honey and a few drops of olive oil. Apply the mixture to your lips, gently massage, and then wipe off with a damp cloth. Your lips will be left feeling soft and hydrated. 6. Hair mask for shine. Honey and olive oil. If you want shiny, healthy hair, try this simple mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and apply it to the ends of your hair. Let it sit for 20-30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This mask will leave your hair moisturized and shiny. Conclusion: as you can see, it's easy to take care of yourself naturally and affordably. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Until next time, stay beautiful and glowing.